And I need you to, how many products you got over here?
Y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tabahia just got here from Oklahoma and he feel like he a director and he got a new camera. I'm here with Dre. I'm about to give him some 2-strand twists. I hate them, but we gonna do them anyway because he wanna get him so goddamn bad. I'm gonna get all his hair first. Yeah. I'm on it. You gotta take that with your thing. Don't really know that. This is really
Listen, bro, wait. I have to record this. It's a build up.
You have to.
Yes, bro.
He fucking up my shit to record whatever the hell he got going on in his life. Like, I'm not really good at this, and you making me wait. I'm just trying.
You are, bro. I'm saying, it's a build up. I got a storyline that I got to tell the people and what you doing.
I'm using the Hair Candy Bio Diesel detangling spray to blow his hair. Yo,
alright, can you get out the way, please?
my thing is wow. Dre, I promise you this wasn't a setup. He wasn't even supposed to be getting his hair done today. I'm dead ass. He just told me he had a camera. I'm like, oh my god. Are you done?
Yeah, that's it. Wow.
So I'm using the Hair Candy Braid Gel for my parts, and I'll be using the Hair Candy styling foam for the 2-strand twist. How much was that lens? Okay, must be fucking nice. So when I do my triangle parts, guys, I always like pre-part them. And I add them into a slip knot. I can braid this right now. No, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna show you what it looked like after the first one.
You give him $1 million, he be like, give me 2.
Well, that's different. Y'all got the same hair. You basically, you're about to raise up for somebody else's hair. That's not how that works. Now, go in the bathroom and go look at these, and I'm gonna show you. Go ahead. The bathroom is around this corner, and you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. What? Right, that's what I'm saying. Your hair's not thick enough. That's what I'm saying. You don't listen to me. You think I just be talking shit because I always talk shit, but when I'm talking about hair, it's not really me talking shit. It's me telling you what I think would look right. You see? They say they want something, I say I don't think it's gonna look right, they still want it. And now I'm here doing their hair, and now he in the mirror like, they gonna be this small? I told you, you got box braids. So what? Your hair's not thick enough. What do you want though? Outside of that. Y'all, this is probably gonna be second to the worst tutorial ever.
No, this is real.
I'm talking about, no, my first tutorial, I was high as hell. My best, it was 4 o'clock in the morning, my best friend was like, I need my hair done.
Bro, that's what people like though.
That's crazy.
This you be weird. Listen, there's motherfuckers flushing jelly beans down the toilet and millions of kids is watching that shit, bro. Like, it don't even matter at all.
We changed his hairstyle, y'all. He's gonna look like what? Oh, fuck it with me today.
So, your booth at your spot, you put up another chair.
Why?
The person that stayed there, you can pay your rent. And that's the only thing that you can do.
Can you not talk about that while I'm recording my YouTube
How
videos?
is that what I do?
What? You don't like them because they stuck in skinny. Do them? Are you sure? Y'all, I'm about to quit breaking. I just got to YouTube and I don't want to be here no more. So who edits your videos?
Me.
Oh wow.
I go hard.
I don't really know.
I'm gonna show you.
I don't really know.
I'm gonna show you what the video I'm doing for you.
What?
This is funny to me.
What's funny to you?
Like, this is my cousin. Alright.
No,
So
don't.
look out for this, I'm telling you everything.
This here is, he don't have hair like you either. This shit is thick. I'm just letting you,
We got some fresh new young talent doing something.
Wow. You disrespectful.
Listen, I can't get right now.
You can't. First off, you was late.
But now look, things happen for a reason. I'm about to give you some hot ass shit.
You think so? You think so?
Oh, I know something.
Oh.
You're gonna be like, this motherfucker is really hard. Cause I'm really a creative.
Are you?
I'm a Sagittarius.
Oh, that means shit. I'm an Aquarius. I'm a creative. In real life.
I be like in real life.
Yeah, I don't know about you. You ain't show me something you created. And I don't want to see your son. Yeah, here my clients are really trash. They come in my house, they don't give a fuck about nothing I got going on. They talk with my videos.
That sounds.
You don't mute them?
You can put no. At me for what? No, I want everybody to hear this is YouTube, it's not Instagram. I put music on my video on YouTube, they like it's a copyright claim and all this. I don't got time.
Have you ever did a braiding class?
Wow. Do you follow me on Instagram?
Yeah, I do.
No, you don't. It stopped?
Yeah.
Good.
But we don't know when to stop though.
I never know when to stop.
Well, I'm gonna show you how to.
You know how to work a camera?
What you mean?
Still learn.
I know how to work a camera. Come on, don't do all that.
Forget you're blocking. Sorry guys. And they can see you go off on the Don't do that.
You really ain't shit.
Go back in the fucking room.
You want everybody to see that I'm a fucking crazy person, and I'm not.
The faster people
blocking my light. Wow, I gotta give him a second to get my own light.
Ain't that crazy?
That's some weird ass shit. I'm really like
What you gonna do with this one?
nothing right now. I'm just showing them. You better put your head back. Wow. You don't have no deference. You don't know shit about nothing. You gonna put your whole entire head back. These triangle part box braids. First time after he didn't want his 2-strand twists because they were too small. But boom. Don't put your head down. Say hello. If you like what you see, subscribe, comment, hit the little bell thing in the corner. Yeah, see you next time.